Hi, everyone. I'm sure many of you know, in a few weeks ago, Florida experienced a devastating hurricane, catastrophic actually. It was awful scene down there. Hurricane Ian ripped through southwestern Florida, went all the way through Florida and back right up into the Carolinas. Um, Very devastating, and although many parts of Florida are devastated and many lives were lost, Florida is going to rebuild and recover. Hurricane Ian made landfall September 28th, made landfall as a Category 4 hurricane, um, ripped all the way through Florida, as I said. Lots of flooding, power lines down, homes destroyed. As you can see here, just the effects it had on some areas. Very catastrophic. Some models had it going up into the Panhandle. Some models showed it hitting as far west as Louisiana, but no matter where it hits, it's going to be catastrophic. Yeah, many lives were lost, but now we're on to the recovery efforts. Lots of people heading down there to help with the recovery process. I know power companies, cleanup crews, all hands are on deck down there at the moment, and recovery efforts are in place, and Florida is going to rebuild. They will recover. It might take time, lots of time, and you get that much damage. I believe it was near $100 billion in damages. So not going to be easy, but they will recover and they will come back stronger than ever. So prayers out to Florida and prayers to a quick and fast recovery. Thank you for watching.